This is our Clayton door. It's an MDF shaker door. Its smooth finish gives it that contemporary feel, but the V-grooves add a traditional touch. We've done a two-tone colourway on this display, featuring dove grey and a bespoke painted blue, just to add that zing of colour. We've kept this kitchen light and airy by opting for a white quartz with just enough of a blue vein to stand out. With this kitchen, we've opted for a darker handle in a black polished nickel that stands out well against both colours. The area around the range, we've decided to paint in the bespoke blue, just to make that stand out and tie the island into the rest of the design. The island itself has got a number of features on it that just add to that traditional feel. We've used tongue and groove end panels, and we have our pilasters featured alongside the break fronts that create the shape to the island. This display features our 2150 high units with 900 high wall units for extra storage. On this display, we have used our classic Clayton cornice for that extra bit of detail.